Location prepositions help us describe where things and people are positioned. Today we review 4 important ones, next to, across from, between, and near. These words show the relationship between objects in space. Next to means immediately beside something or right beside it. Think of 2 things touching sides or very close together side by side. For example, the shop is next to the bank means you can walk from one right into the other. Across from means directly opposite on the other side of something like a street or river. The 2 things face each other but have space between them. For example, the park is across from the school means you look straight across to see it. Between means in the middle of 2 or more things. It shows position in the space separating objects. For example, the bike was parked between a Porsche and a Lamborghini means the bike sat right in the middle of those 2 cars. Near means close by but not touching and not exactly next to something. It shows general closeness in distance. For example, there is a cafe near the library means you can walk there easily, but it is not right beside it. Near describes something close enough to reach without much effort. Use it for general locations that are nearby. The park is near the school means a short walk connects them. He sat near the fireplace means close enough to feel the warmth. Next to means side by side touching or almost touching. Across from means facing each other from opposite sides with space between. Next to shows horizontal closeness, while across from shows opposite positioning. Use these prepositions to clearly show positions. The cafe is next to the bookstore, the school is across from the library, the statue is between the 2 buildings, the park is near the museum. Practice combining them to describe locations accurately.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.